Today we are talking about food, my friends, because who doesn't love food? I am super excited to be sharing 3 easy and healthy-ish family-friendly snacks for you and your kiddos to enjoy this summer and even into the school year. Seriously, I'm telling you, these snacks are gonna rock your socks off and have your kids wondering where the heck you've been hiding your Rachel Ray skills. I particularly love the 3 snacks I'm gonna share with you today because most of us already keep this stuff around our houses. If you're anything like me, you've gotta have these things on hand pretty much at all times or your kids are gonna blow a gasket. And they also make a really easy grab and go kind of snack for like after school, after activities. Or for us, we are a homeschool family, so I like snacks to be easily accessible throughout our school day, and I want to trust and know that the snacks are healthy and that they are not going to send my kids into some sort of sugar psychosis. So without further ado, I present to you snack number 1. Dude, homemade fruit roll-ups. These are so incredibly easy to make. I am no Martha Stewart, and I'm telling you, these are super, super easy, like so easy that you may never buy them at the store again. All you need is applesauce and strawberries. That's it. You can choose to add in honey if you want to make them a little bit sweeter, but I don't personally want to give my kids the extra sugar, so I just use applesauce and strawberries. You're going to want to chop up 2 cups worth of strawberries. Make sure you take the stems off. Then you're going to throw those in a food processor or a blender and really get them blended up nicely before you add in the 1 cup of applesauce. Once you've got both of those things added into your food processor or blender, you are gonna wanna make sure that you process or blend them until they are nice and smooth, like very, very smooth, like butter, honey. Once everything is blended together, you are going to want to line 2 cookie sheets with parchment paper, and then you will spread that mixture from the blender onto both parchment sheets. You will preheat your oven to 175 and then you will pop those suckers in the oven for 4 hours or until the fruit roll-ups are not sticky anymore. Once they're done cooking, you want to cut them into strips, snip, 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 just like you would find a fruit roll-up in the store, and once they've kind of cooled off completely, they are so easy to peel away. I and my children and my husband devoured these in days. Snack numero 2. This one involves peanut butter, bananas, and chocolate. You cannot go wrong with that. These are called Chunky Monkey Bites, and I found these on Pinterest and they were so easy to make. So you're gonna need 2 bananas, you're going to need a bag full of chocolate chips. I prefer dark chocolate just because, again, I don't like that extra sugar for my kids, and dark chocolate has some added health benefits. And then you are going to need peanut butter as well. These are perfect for warmer months because they are best served frozen, sister, just like a margarita. Only margaritas aren't for kids. So you will slice your bananas about a 1/4 inch thick, and then you're going to lay them out on a sheet of parchment paper. Then you are gonna pop some peanut butter in the microwave for about 15 seconds just to get it kind of, you don't want it completely melted, but you want it a little easier to spoon than it would be straight out of the jar. And then once it's nice and semi-melted, you're gonna use a teaspoon to then spoon peanut butter onto a slice of banana. You're then going to take another slice of banana and put it on top of said banana that has the peanut butter already on it, and you're gonna make like a little peanut butter banana sandwich. Once you've assembled all of your little peanut butter banana sandwiches, you're gonna melt your chocolate chips and then spoon the ooey gooey goodness on top of the bananas and peanut butter. Then you are going to place everything back in the freezer until the chocolate hardens and eat to your heart's content when it's done, because sister, these are hard to pull yourself away from. Peanut butter sushi. I know it sounds gross, but trust me, it's just PB&J in the shape of sushi, okay? I told you I wasn't Martha Stewart. So you are going to cut the crust off of a few slices of bread, and then you're gonna roll the bread nice and thin, spread it with peanut butter and jelly, roll it back up, and then slice it like sushi. Sometimes all you need to make snacking more fun for kids is to make a fun shape and then call it something fancy like sushi. Happy snacking, my friends.